buy new cars, I don't buy brand names, I go to Goodwill for my clothes. I like to save money, I like to find bargains, it's the life I chose. I throw nothing away, I'll find a use another day for all this junk I keep. My neighbors all hate me, they abuse and berate me, 'cause I like doing it cheap. Yeah, I like doing it cheap. Welcome to another episode of Doing It Cheap. Well, alrighty then. On the back side of this refrigerator is this panel. It's got 3 screws. They got 1/4-inch heads on them. And of course it'd be a lot faster if I had my old cordless drill with a 1/4-inch socket driver on it, but that's alright. It's just 3 of them. I can speed up the video. Now you want to make sure your refrigerator is unplugged if you're doing this. Wouldn't do to get yourself electrocuted. Look at there, look at that. Woo-wee. Oh. Well, first things first, this doesn't look like that. It looks like it's got all the same components to it, just possibly in a different location. So, I believe we'd be alright. We got 3, 4 plugs. We got a plug down there and plug down. Yeah, we're gonna be alright. Okay. Now, when I used to do electronics in the Air Force, we had this little tool. Basically, it was just a little piece of tubing, and it would slip over these little plastic pins here. The little plastic pins have like a little piece that's sticking out, and the idea being you slip that little tool over it, and it looked like a little piece of pipe is what it looked like, but all it did is it just slid on there and compressed that little wing. I'm just doing it with these pliers. There. Okay. Well, I'm on there. There's one.
Well, I tell you what, that right there was about the toughest dead blame plugs I've pulled in a long time. That was ridiculous. I mean, plumb ridiculous. Well, all right, now we just stick it back together. That's supposed to be it. That right there is supposed to be the repair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to button this thing up. I'm going to plug it in while I'm washing the pieces that go in the refrigerator. Or I might just plug it in and leave the doors open while I'm washing it. We'll see if it tries to get cold. But there it is. That is supposed to be all there is to repairing this refrigerator. All right, there it is. So I'll just plug it in and see what happens. Oh, I swear. Oh, because I had this refrigerator sitting outside of my front door, people saying, why do I have junk appliances sitting outside of my house? So you think just because it's sitting outside, it's junk? Well, here's the inside of it. And there it is making ice. Looks like I need a light bulb for this side. Don't look like junk to me. Some people, I swear, they think everything's got to be thrown away. If something don't work, throw it away, throw it away. You know? You can, you know, I don't have water hooked up to it, but, you know, you can just sit there and say, oh my goodness, it's dirty, or something like that. It's garbage. It's junk. It ain't junk. Just because something needs to be repaired. Shit. What is it with people nowadays? So, there you have it. There's my 25 cubic foot frost-free refrigerator with ice and water through the door. Once again working after I replaced that board. Ha.